Hello everyone, welcome back. Next topic in basic data structure, add key pair values to JavaScript objects. At their most basic, objects are just collection of key value pairs. In other words, they are pieces of data or values mapped to unique identifiers called properties or keys. Take a look at the example. We have a example of taken character which has a player fighting style human as the property and some values. The above code defines a taken video game character object called taken character. It has three properties, each of which map to a specific value. If you want to add an additional property such as origin, it can be done by assigning origin to the object. For example, here origin is added South Korea. This uses dot notation. If you were to observe taken character object, it will now include origin property. Warang, maybe it is pronounced like that. Not too sure. Also has had a distinct orange hair. You can add this property with bracket notation by doing like this. Means we are using a square bracket means bracket notation for this property, and this is the value of that property. Bracket notation is required if your property has a space in it. Since it has a space, we can't write that in the dot notation correctly, so we use bracket notation in these cases. Or if you want to use a variable to name a property, or in case we want to use variable in place of a string, then we can also use bracket notation. In the above case, the property is enclosed in quotes to denote it as a string and will be added exactly as shown. Without quotes, it will be evaluated as a variable and the name of property will be whatever value of the variable is. Here is an example with the variable. So here a variable is used and whatever is the value of the variable, it will be added as a property. For example, here eye color is added as a property with a value of brown. Task for this challenge: a foods object has been created with three entries: foods with apples, orange, and plums properties. Using the syntax of your choice, add three more entries to it: banana with value of 13, grapes with value of 35, and strawberries with value of 27. I will be adding it in three different ways just for such to show how we can do that, but any one way would have been okay. Bananas equal to 13, food dot foods dot grapes equal, let's use bracket notation here, and grapes equal to 35, and for the last one, let berries equal to a strawberry, and we will be using variable here berry. Notice that it is without any quotes, that that means it is a variable, and we will give value of 27, and we can see all of them are added here. So let's run the tests and download my solution. And thanks everyone for watching. See you in the next video. Till then, bye bye.